அதிகாரிகள், நண்பர்கள், பள்ளி மாணவ மாணவிகள் ஆகிய அனைவரையும் வரவேற்பதில் பேரானந்தமும் பெருமகிழ்ச்சியும் கொள்கின்றோம்.
Rotary Club of Madras Coromandel, Rotary Club of Kataraki Kingston from Canada joined together has come forward to donate 2 school buses to Srivalli Varadaraj Matriculation High Secondary School. Also, issuance of certificates to the teachers for English language skill development training program completion. I welcome here all the friends in Rotary and Rotary families who are present here. I also welcome all the students and the
இனிதே ஆரம்பமாகிறது. நிகழ்ச்சியின் தொடக்கமாக டயஸ் காலிங் we would like to call SVVM School Principal Mohan Kumar to the stage. Correspondent Sri Satyamurthy sir to the stage. We would like to call RID 320. Our project chair DGN Rotarian Raviraman sir to the stage. We would like to welcome our PDG Rotarian Krishnaswamy sir to the stage. We would like to welcome our past Rotary International Director Rotarian C. Bhaskar sir to the stage.
PRID Rotarian Bhaskar Chokri and Tripala DGN Rotarian Raviraman.
சீராடும் வதனமென திகழ்வரத கண்டமிதில் தெக்கணமும் அது சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறையுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுள எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனகே தமிழனகே உன் சீரிழமை திறம் வியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்ந்ததுமே வாழ்ந்ததுமே வாழ்ந்ததுமே.
ரெங்கராஜன் அவர்களை அன்புடன் அழைக்கிறோம்.
இறை வணக்கம். எங்கும் நிறைந்த எங்கள் இறைவா, எல்லையில்லா பொருளே, இன்பத்தின் ஊற்றே, அன்பின் வடிவே, அருளின் ஒளியே, எங்கள் எண்ணம் சொல் செயல் யாவற்றிலும் தூய்மை நிலைவிட வேண்டுகிறோம். உலகில் நட்புணர்வும் நல்லுறவும் அன்பும் அமைதியும் அறமும் தலைத்திட நின்னருள் வேண்டி நிற்கின்றோம். யாதும் ஊரே யாவரும் கேளீர் என்பதை உணர்ந்து மக்கள் தொண்டிலே நாங்கள் நாளும் ஈடுபட எங்களுக்கு வலிமை தருவாய். எல்லாம் வல்ல இறைவா, வளமும் பெற்று இனிதே வாழ்த்திட இறையே அருள் புரிவாய்.
ரோட்டரி 4-way டெஸ்ட் கூற தேனி ரோட்டரி சங்கத்தின் செயலாளர் ரொட்டேரியன் டாக்டர் கணேசன் அவர்களை அன்புடன் மேடைக்கு அழைக்கிறோம்.
Say or do. I request all of you to take the test. Please place your hands and can repeat what I said. Thank you. Is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better friendship? Will it be beneficial to all concerned? Thank you.
Light the lamp குத்து விளக்கேற்றி துவங்கி வைக்க பாஸ்ட் ரோட்டரி இன்டர்நேஷனல் டைரக்டர் ரொட்டேரியன் சி பாஸ்கர் அவர்களை அழைக்கிறோம். நமது திட்டத்தின் தலைவர் டிஜிஎன் ரொட்டேரியன் ரவிராமன் அவர்களை அழைக்கிறோம். அடுத்ததாக அடுத்ததாக டிஜிஎன் ரொட்டேரியன் சுந்தரராஜன் அவர்களை குத்துவிளக்கு ஏற்றி தருமாறு அன்புடன் கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறோம். பிடிஜி ரொட்டேரியன் கிருஷ்ணசுவாமி அவர்களை குத்துவிளக்கு ஏற்றுமாறு கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறோம். பள்ளியின் தாளாளர் ஸ்ரீ சத்யமூர்த்தி அவர்களை குத்துவிளக்கு ஏற்றுமாறு அன்புடன் கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறோம்.
Very happy to read out the profile of numerous positions in the district level and attended all RA conventions. He is awarded with citation for meritorial service for Rotary Foundation in 2018. He is married to Shobna and blessed with 3 sons. He is a member of International Fellowship of Cricketing Rotarians. He was World Chairman in 2016 and have attended 10 World Cricket festivity. He has contributed $291,000 to the Rotary Foundation, equivalent to Indian rupees of approximately 2.5 crores. I don't think Ravi wants me to talk any further, so I'll stop here. He is also the Honorary Consul of Mauritius at Chennai for South India since 2011. I welcome you, sir, to give the welcome address.
Can you hear me? I can't hear you. Good evening. It gives me great pleasure to come to the school. I've been here a few times before and I like the weather too. I hope all of you also like it. I find it very pleasant, especially coming from Chennai where it was very humid and hot. I think the weather here is very pleasant. So it gives me great pleasure to first of all welcome our chief guest past, RA Director Bhaskar. We are missing our guest of honor, the Superintendent of Police, but I think he's a little preoccupied. Of course, my long-time guru, friend, everything, PDG Krish is here. So he's, of course, all of you must be knowing him. And of course, Janak is also here with us. It gives me great pleasure that we're all here. I would like to welcome correspondent G. Satyamurthy and GM Mohan Kumar, Principal Tolly John, my co-governors DG and Dr. Sundararajan, then Abu Tahir is a very popular person here, and Saundar Pandian, he is also well known here. Of course, I think the Theni Rotary Club is, I think the intra club is here, President Rajendran is here, and my good friend from Trichy, Chola, Ramesh and Mahalakshmi, they are here. And there are a lot of Rotarians here from, like for example, current President Hema is here, Bhavani is here, Japanese past President is here, a lot of Rotarians, and of course our local Rotarians also here, a lot of Rotarians. I welcome all of you. I would really like to welcome the teachers of the school who are actually locals, but it's good to have all of you here. Of course, the most important are the students who we want to benefit from what we are doing here, so it's glad to all of you are here. It's also good to see some parents also here, and very important are the staff of Rajeshri Sugars, without whom the school wouldn't be here in my opinion. So I think they are a big support factor here. And of course, finally, I would also like to welcome the media. Thank you.
And DGN 3203, Sundar Rajan, he is from my district. You know, I was a governor in 89-90. That district is bifurcated into 3, now 4. So he is from Udumalpet, and I welcome you. The person who is responsible for all the development of the school, the correspondent, and also our president of Rashtriya Sugars, G. Satyamurthy, our principal, though when he took over as a principal, the strength of the school is 236. Now we have 1,300 children. I welcome, I recognize him, and also GM Mohan. The parents, many of them have come. Teachers who are all responsible for giving very good result for the school. Then staff of RSCL and friends. The school was started in 2002 with 2 children, and today we have 1,300 children. And comes from abroad and who stays with us, and Ravi, we used to bring them to the school. One of the earliest visitors was Bill Gray from Cataraqui Kingston Club from Canada. Several other people like Linda Nicole and others also visited this club, visited the school. So when we said that, we don't charge much and we don't have enough funds to buy the bus, and most of the children are underprivileged and they cannot afford to come by bus, and some of them, they don't have facilities to have bus to come to the school. So we approached Rotarians, and my good friend Rotarian Ravi Raman, he said he will contribute $15,000 US, and he motivated others to contribute. And I requested my governor to give from the district fund. He gave $5,000 US. And my friend Bill Gray, I was mentioning about, we and I have done several projects, about 25 projects all over the world, over $3 million US. And when I approached him, he said immediately, not only me, I will ask other friends also to contribute. So the Cataraqui Kingston Rotary Club gave $5,355 US. Then the same district, 7040 Passport Rotary Club, they gave $899 US. Karachi, Rotary Club of Karachi has given $525 US. Then Kingston Rotary Club has given $1,566 US. Mercerca, this is from Italy, one of them, Stefano, who visited Chennai and he stayed with us, and we told about the school. He gave from his personal fund $374 US. Rotary Club of Madras, where I am the member, I requested my president and immediately agreed to give $5,000 US. The Madras Central, Vinod Sarogi, is a very good friend of mine. I requested him. Through his club, he gave $3,150 US. And then Madras East Club is one of the leading clubs in Chennai. They gave another $3,150 US. Montreal Lakeshore, they gave $1,499 US. Ottawa Club gave $1,800 US. Then one friend from USA, Swaminathan Rajagopalan, he gave $4,345 US. Then TRF, whatever amount is given, this being matched, and the Rotary Foundation has given $25,500 US. So the total cost is $73,550 US. In this juncture, I must have to thank all the donors. Without their help, we would not have got this bus. And also we had teachers training. When they said they could not give only bus, so they must have to have some other program connected with the school. So we said that we will give training to the teachers, and then there was a shortfall, and immediately Ravi said that I will match that, and then he gave further amount, and that's how we got all the funds. I must thank all the donors, and I wish this is beneficial to all the teachers, because many of the we give teachers free the bus, and then all the students will be benefited by this. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. நமது இந்நிகழ்ச்சியின் நோக்கம் நிறைவேறும் தருணம் இது. ஆம், 2 பேருந்துகளையும் பள்ளி நிர்வாகத்தினருக்கு வழங்கும் அழகிய தருணம் தான் அது. நமது முதன்மை விருந்தினர் பாஸ்ட் ரோட்டரி இன்டர்நேஷனல் டைரக்டர் ரொட்டேரியன் சி பாஸ்கர் மற்றும் டிஜிஎன் ரொட்டேரியன் சுந்தரராஜன் மற்றும் தலைவர் ரொட்டேரியன் கிருஷ்ணசுவாமி, டிஜிஎன் ரொட்டேரியன் ரவி சாவியல் மக்களுக்கு 1 மாத கால பயிற்சியாக இங்கிலீஷ் லாங்குவேஜ் ஸ்கில் டெவலப்மெண்ட் என்ற பெயரில் கேம்பிரிட்ஜ் யூனிவர்சிட்டியுடன் இணைந்து வழங்கப்பட்டது. அந்த பயிற்சியை சிறப்பாக எடுத்துக்கொண்டு செயல்படுத்தி வரும் ஆசிரியர்களுக்கு சான்றிதழ் வழங்கும் நேரம் இது. சான்று டைரக்டர் ரொட்டேரியன் சி பாஸ்கர் அவர்களை அழைக்கிறோம். மிஸ்ஸஸ் சசிகலா எம், Mrs. Santana Lakshmi A.M.
Mrs. Samantha Sumitra C. Mrs. Muthu Mari Amman B. Mrs. Rajan Kirutika R. Mrs. Reena G. Mrs. Pandi Lakshmi P. Mrs. Niveda R. Mr. Ganesha Pandey S. Mr. Prakash A. Mr. Rajesh Kumar J. Mr. Prabhu M. Mr. Rajavel P. Mr. Sivakumar K.
Mr. Subhaneshwaran P. Mr. Balamurali N. Mrs. Durga K. Mrs. Sivarama Sundari K. Mrs. Dhavamani M. Mrs. Jhansi Rani E. Thank you so much, all.
I request Principal Dolly John
and my dear students, good evening. I am here today to offer my sincere gratitude to the Rotarians around the world without whom the experience wouldn't have possible. They are all on receiving 2 buses for the conveyance of the school students. Sri Valli Varadaraj Metric Higher Secondary School was started in 2002 by our Managing Trustee, Padma Shri Awardee, Srimati Rajashri Padi. The school was started with a vision of uplifting and empowering socio-economically marginalized children, especially girls in the rural areas. 2 decades back, when we started the school, 2 important challenges school faced. One, to bring the children from these rural areas, especially girls, to the school where the public transportation is nil or scarce. Another important challenge is to have good communicative skilled teachers. So for finding a solution for this problem, the school invested heavily to develop a fleet of buses. That means we have got now 14 buses and one van, which will take the students from these villages. Another thing, the school has heavily invested is on the teachers program. We have got a regular holistic development program for teachers. First, we have got from the Rotary Club, last time this program also, we have got a holistic development program. Before that, we have got a yearly program with the GRG Management Club, Management College, sorry. So this is a continuous program for us. On behalf of the management, school, and I humbly accept these 2 buses, which will further enhance the conveyance facility of the children of this rural area. Thank you.